you where I've been, all the scars I own. Every broken road I walked, every stone I've thrown. People tried to break me, but they couldn't kill the seed. I'm a garden full of flowers from the pain they weed. The darkest chapters turned them into art. Built a brand new kingdom from a broken heart. Life is like a lesson, every fall's a clue. I'm still standing tall, tell me what you're gonna do. Stand up! One step forward, never look at yesterday.
We rise through the storm, through the fire and rain, finding all the beauty in the joy and the pain. Like a river flowing, like a bird in the sky. Life is just a story, learn to live or let it fly. We rise through the storm, through the fire and rain. Every little heartbeat is a brand new strain. All the love we gave is never left behind. We're the music of the world, of the world, of the world, of the world.
With a state of mind, I was chasing shadows trying to find a way. Now I realize the sunshine only comes from the gray. Let it go. The heavy baggage, yeah, I left it at the door. I don't need permission to be who I was born from. Flip the script, the sorrow wrote a brighter scene. Life is not a movie, but it's still a beautiful dream. Dream it loud. We don't need perfection, we just need to try. Even when we stumble, even when we cry,
We